Don't buy this laptop at any price. Dell is a brand many people trust, and that's exactly why the Inspiron 3000 series gets so much attention. It feels like a safe option, affordable, recognizable, and widely available. But the budget versions of this laptop tell a very different story. To keep the price low, these models come with entry-level processors like Intel Pentium or Celeron chips. And while that might be enough for very basic use, it quickly becomes a limitation in real-world situations. At first, everything seems fine. You turn it on, browse a few sites, maybe watch a video. No major issues. But as soon as your usage becomes even slightly demanding, the performance starts to struggle. Multitasking becomes difficult. Apps don't open as quickly. Switching between tasks feels slower than it should. And then there's the display. Many budget Inspiron 3000 models come with screens that are dim and lack sharpness. Colors don't pop, and brightness can feel underwhelming even indoors. It's something you might not notice immediately, but over time, it affects the overall experience. Then comes the build quality. Because the laptop is designed to hit a low price point, the materials can feel less sturdy. Some users report that the keyboard feels soft, or that the hinges don't inspire much confidence after long-term use. So while the Dell name suggests reliability, the experience here doesn't always match that expectation. It's not that the laptop completely fails. It's that it doesn't feel satisfying to use, and that can be just as disappointing. Because when you buy a laptop, you expect it to feel smooth, responsive, and reliable, not something that constantly reminds you of its limitations.